has been a legacy and India has been consistent in the victory. The data suggests that with this win, India continues. Hello students, welcome back to Paathshala classes. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Paathshala classes, and today we are going to celebrate a kind of celebration by this lecture. Through this lecture, we are going to witness as to the victory that India has secured at a global level. Now, what is this victory all about? That we are going to discuss in the forthcoming slides. So please stay connected throughout the lecture and please follow the forthcoming slides to get the details in brief and in crisp manner. So let's begin. India defends Women's Asian Championship Trophy title. Now we are going to look forward in detail as to this particular victory that all Indians are proud of. India's women's hockey team successfully defended their title at the Women's Asian Champions Trophy, defeating China. China was defeated by 1-0 in the finals. The victory marked India's third ACT title, showcasing their dominance in the tournament's history alongside South Korea. Korea was also in the line. Deepika's stunning reverse hit goal in the 31st minute was the difference, securing India's back-to-back championship win. The key moments in the final, the very first point for the which is worth noticing are the very first being the first half. Now, what is this first half? Why does this first half and second half are taken into account while considering this victory? I'll just move the slide so that you can just see a comparative analysis. The first half, both teams made strong offensive moves, but India's defense, which was led by young Sunelita Topo, stood firm. China had the first penalty corner, but India's goalkeeper Bichu Devi Kharibam made an excellent save to deny them. Please take a note of three important names: Bichu Devi, सुनेलिता, टोपो, पूरा नाम इनका ये है, और बाकी हम नेक्स्ट में देख लेंगे. ठीक है, सुनेलिता, बिच्छू देवी और दीपिका, ये तीन इंपॉर्टेंट स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन हैं. And as far as this particular achievement is concerned, so the second half includes India maintained the pressure and converted a penalty corner in the 31st minute. Please note 31st minute. Despite a penalty stroke opportunity for Deepika in the 42nd minute, China's goalkeeper Li Ting made crucial saves to keep them in the game, however could not. India's consistency and legacy. As far as this particular achievement is concerned, it has been a legacy and India has been consistent in the victory. The data suggests that with this win, India continued their legacy as the most successful team in the Women's Asian Champions Trophy, having won titles in 2016, 2023 and 2024 again. The final victory over China is a testament to India's resilience and growth in women's hockey, reinforcing their status in international and global level. Also that the women's participation signifies the broad-mindedness and the women's participation in sports. The country has been an encouraging one when it comes to the women's participation globally Also, it has maintained a consistent legacy of winning this particular trophy. So this is a proud moment for all Indians that we should cherish. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel of Paathshala classes for such regular updates. Also, you can subscribe to the Telegram channel for getting free study materials for your easy preparation for your CLAT and AILET 2024. Please stay connected with us throughout. Thank you so much.